Straight after leaving Daio Wasabi Farm, we headed towards Takayama, a city nestled deep within the mountains of Gifu. And it didn't take long before the calm weather turned into a snowstorm. From here, it would take us 2 hours to reach our destination. Nothing much could be done during this time other than admiring the snowy scenery to pass the time. Little did I know at the time that we were just on the outskirts of another onsen resort town. I'll have to come back to this region again one day. The snowstorm eventually faded as we entered Takayama. Our short stop within this city was Sanmachi Suji, 3 historical merchant streets located southeast of the city center that have been preserved since the Edo period. One can enjoy the local artistry and delicacies offered here, as well as its calm and cozy atmosphere. I was amazed to learn that some of the shops here have been in business for centuries. Looks like winter sake is on the menu at this brewery. Once again, we were back on the road, and soon ventured into another snowstorm towards one last destination for the day. Our destination this time was the World Heritage Site Shirakawa-gō, a remote mountain village featuring Gasho Zukuri-styled minka houses. Along with plenty other tour groups, supposedly we arrived at an extraordinary time too. Amidst a thick snowfall just shortly before sunset, our visit would be quite a uniquely freezing experience. As the skies darkened and the snowfall became colder and heavier, I made a quick round to the upper ends of the village and back before closing time. Most of the village and the surroundings were obscured by the snowfall that afternoon, but the experience was still quite a heartwarming and peaceful one. Perhaps another longer visit during a warmer season in future would be just as nice. Upon arriving at our hotel back in Takayama, a blizzard warning was in place. After settling in, today's treasures were organized. Instead of going back into town for dinner, fast food right next door was a convenient and safer option to end a very long day. It was also my first time eating McDonald's in 12 years. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.